Hello and welcome to Plannr. My name is Emily and today we're going to be looking at setting up a charge split. From any page in Plannr, select the Settings tab from the left-hand side menu and choose Income Reconciliation. Now select Charge Split Schemas, which brings up the following page showing all existing schemas. For this example, we're going to make an introducer split, so we'll select Add New. This brings up a modal with options for the schema. First, give it a name. Then select the range of the split. This will automatically set to the default, but the advisor can alter this to any number within the range provided here. Now decide how this split will be paid. We're going to set this as 50-50, so any split would be paid evenly by the firm and the advisor. For example, a 14% split on £100 would be paid £7 by the advisor and £7 by the firm. Next, decide how FCI contributions will be affected. After this, decide whether this split will be applied to initial charges and if this split will be the default for initial charges. Following this, decide if this split can be applied to ongoing charges and if this would be the default for ongoing charges. Next, we'll decide who the split should be applicable to: advisors, introducers, and/or clients. Finally, select if advisors ought to be able to see this split. Then save when it's ready. And that's it! You've successfully set up a charge split in Plannr. If you get stuck at all or need any extra help, the Help and Support tab on the left-hand side menu is always available. Here you can find useful articles as well as messages directly for help.